Hello, here's another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question, just click on the information bar here. If you want to do this question, I suggest you pause the video now. And if you got the answer D, well done. Here's my explanation. Which of the following cannot be used as a unit for electrical field strength? Well, my starting point would be to go to the data sheet and find the equation for electrical field strength, and you're given this particular one. Electric field strength is potential difference over distance, which means electrical field strength certainly has the units of volts per meter. If we have a look in here, there's nothing equivalent, so we need to find something that is possible and then find why the answer is not possible. So we know that again, going back to the electricity topic, we know that potential difference is equal to the work done per unit charge, which means a volt is equivalent to a joule per coulomb. So I can exchange joules per coulomb into this equation and discover the electric field strength also has the units of joules per coulomb per meter. So this one, A, is joules per coulomb per meter. So that is a correct one, but not the right answer because we're looking for one that cannot. Now I could work out which ones were also possible, but I can see if I go straight down to question D, it's got all the same units in, joules, coulombs and meters, but in a different order. The correct one is joules per meter per coulomb, and this has got joules per coulomb per meter. So this is obviously not possible, therefore the answer is D. I hope you found this question useful. If you did, click on that subscribe button, share with people who might find these videos useful for revision, and keep watching. Thank you very much.